You can expect a lot from the 2019 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, heated seats, automatic temperature control, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.